Welcome back, guys. I just want to start this video by saying a huge thank you to all our subscribers. In the week we hit 2,000 of you. That means that 2,000 of you think that our channel's worth subscribing to. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you press that subscribe button anyway. So what we're doing today, we're outside this pub. You know a bit about it, don't you?
It's been derelict for a while. We don't know much more than that. We know there was some fire damage. There's a couple of bars in there we've been told about, maybe even a piano. We always seem to find a piano on these videos. So
yeah, so actually the bar, yeah, exactly.
Another piano.
Yeah, the bar, the actual fire damage bar is an old Indian restaurant bar bit at the back. But apparently inside the pub,
some accommodation upstairs apparently as well. We don't know if that's for B&B purposes or just the people that lived here, but we should find out.
Yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to get inside, as we always do, have a look round, film it for you guys. So cheers, guys, we'll catch you when we're in there.
See you soon.
Right, we've found a way in, pretty easy really. Doors open, so I'm going to go in. You can see the bar straight away. There's Lewis, he's at the bar. Do you want a drink?
It's been a long night, lad.
I don't think there's going to be many servings here. Go behind the bar to have a look.
Last order was quite a while ago.
Yeah, I think it was. They've still got the cooling gas thing and gas bottle. I know, we always find these pianos, don't we? Yeah. Right, we'll go through this door first and have a look round, see what's round here. Get inside. I'll plant. Ah, these are gentlemen's toilets. Turn the light on. Oh yeah. Got the urinals in here. Toilets. Usually the toilets are smashed up, aren't they, boy?
Yeah.
But they ain't too bad.
Some grief. You know what? It's all we walked through. I didn't know we walked actually through.
Yeah.
It's like the last long bit. See where all these are jointed.
Yeah.
That's going to come through any day, isn't it? Trouble is, one's go.
You can see all the damage of it. What would that have been? A little office or something?
Storeroom, yeah.
There's a till.
Little office, yeah.
That's where the till would have been.
More money in it.
No.
Filing cabinet at the desk. It's like just a little office, yeah.
Look at the electric box. It looks like all the copper's been stripped out of it. Look, all the copper.
Loads of stuff's been taken.
Very eerie. Another toilet. Yeah, God. Look at the damage, guys. The fire of all there.
Bloody hell, it ripped through it, didn't it?
Yeah. Kitchen area.
It just ripped through this building. Jesus.
The kitchen area.
I tell you what, it's quite odd in there with no windows, isn't it?
I know, it's a bit freaky. Well, there is a few windows there, but all the cooker. I wonder if the fire started in here. Ah, this is your main front door. Ah, fridge. Looks like a morgue.
Alright.
You got the fridge where they had the
freezer. Freezer, yeah.
These units. We saw a fridge unit like this somewhere else, but I can't remember where it was. Was it that military hospital?
Yeah. There's another door for it there, so I bet that was freezer and then fridge behind it there.
Oh yeah.
Man.
Right, we will go upstairs, but we'll go through into the pub first. That's upstairs, we will go there, but we'll go through into the pub first, everyone, so. I tell you, it is bloody cold in here. There's a freaky feeling about the place, isn't there?
Yeah, it's dark and dingy, yes.
Here's the
pub.
pub.
Feel the atmosphere of the pub still, can't you?
Yeah.
It's weird. It is strange.
Look at the pub.
That's the floor
What's that?
swollen up.
Oh yeah.
The floor's swollen that much, it's fucking popped the floor up.
What? Just imagine all the drinks.
This must have been the actual pub, really, because it's
Yeah.
like a fireplace, pool table, air hockey.
Is it?
Yeah, look,
Scrape some of that off.
air hockey.
Oh yeah. Air hockey table.
Mate, it's got a proper dingy pub feel, isn't it?
Yeah.
See, the floors look alright upstairs, they're definitely wet, but those timbers look well sound.
Yeah.
Apart from that, look.
So we're going to be alright going up, but we've just got to watch our step.
They're oversized, the timbers are oversized and they're wet, but there's no rot. It's going to go, because it's soaking, so it will go one day.
This place is amazing.
Old menu.
What we got on the menu? Oh, is it the Indian menu?
Yeah. Can't really get into it, it's all wet. There's a door there.
Yeah. Just gonna have a look round the pub. Look, Lewis, the bar.
Oh wow.
Look at the stained glass. Look at the stained glass window.
Would have been quite a nice place.
Would have been a nice place in its time, wouldn't it? Wow. The old pump.
Just madness.
Look, we've got an old menu here. Wow, look at that. Sorry for the inconvenience. Well, you ain't going to be serving a lot now, guys. Another one of them cooling systems for the...
The old Pepsi pumps.
Ah,
Nice old pumps.
it is, isn't it? I don't know whether this place has got a cellar. I think this might have been the
Yeah.
bit for the...
Cold storage or something. There it is, yeah. That's quite good
Yeah, this is the cellar, isn't it?
storage, isn't it?
It's not actually a cellar, it's on the right flooring, but
This is where the pumps were, yeah.
all the pumps, no beer anywhere.
Your empty pot, everything.
You've got the gas bottles here as well.
Yeah. Still the boxes of syrup there. Lemonade syrup and Pepsi syrup.
Is it?
Yeah, in the boxes.
Yeah. Cellar. Foster's, Carlin, mild Guinness, Stella.
Tell you how many barrels you got left.
Is that what it is?
I reckon so, yeah, because they're tally. 1, 2, 1, none. So you know how many barrels you got stock.
Oh, there is a cellar, Lewis. Well, we can't go in it though,
Why?
because it is full of water.
Oh God!
Guys, I'm just gonna go down here a bit to show you, but the cellar is completely submerged in water. Look.
Whoa. Look at that old.
Do you know,
It's actually really clear.
it is, yeah, but don't you think it's creepy?
It is creepy, isn't it?
A cellar full
Imagine
of water.
wading through that.
Look, in that room there and stuff.
That's crazy.
Look, so I'll jump out and you have a look through there.
Mate, that's mad.
Look, there's a picture. I don't think it's of the pub, it's just a picture of the pub.
Menu. There's a menu.
Oh.
Bloody hell. The ultimate big steak night. 16-ounce rump steak and chips, $5.99.
Well, that's cheap. That is cheap. It's been closed down for a while.
Chicken burger, chips, salad and mayo, $4.20.
It's been closed down a while then, because there's no way you'd get that for that price now.
Not in the pub.
Right.
I'm closed down first. Do you want me to go first? Or to have a look?
Yeah, go on.
Just have a look, because you're concentrating on the camera, aren't you? No, it feels solid, mate.
Yeah.
It's fucking wet up here, though. Fucking
You can
hell.
smell the damp, guys, in here.
Yeah, it's fucking wet, mate.
Because actually, there's no roof tiles on the place.
Careful, fucking hell. Right, that's the staircase that links up with that. Yeah, look, the floor's gone in here, look. Oh, they've had the boards up.
Someone's had all the copper
Yeah.
out.
Just keep your ears open for creaks and stuff, Zach.
Yeah.
But look at the floors are sound. Fucking hell.
We'll go this way first.
Just keep your eye for the holes in the floor.
Bathroom. Look at the retro bloody
Attic. See if we're into the attic.
tile. Yeah.
There's holes in the floor, but they're not rotten. It's
Oh, so another. Do you reckon that? What was that? It's a safe. We always find a safe. Is it open? No. No. It looks like there was like a shower thing here, or like a hot tub or something. Don't you think?
Yeah. A bed or something, yeah. It's like an office, there's a lot of paperwork.
Yeah, this must have been the office, guys. There's paperwork and that people have ordered steaks and things like that.
Tell you what, mate, this place.
It won't be around for much longer, put it that
I'll
way.
tell you what happens, it's just be careful because there's a lot of dry rot. What happens is now it's spent a winter in the wet, it will spend the summer. And look at that.
Oh, it's another function room.
Food dinner.
Halloween. It's another function room there.
Is that shit or is that just the carpet rotted
The
away?
carpet. Look,
Just rotted away.
that's carpet, guys, that is. Look, there's actually a serving hatch in here.
Yeah, I reckon there's a kitchen next door.
Do you think?
Yeah, let's just have a quick look. It looks like there might be something like that, yeah.
Look at the wallpaper. Look at the green stuff on the wallpaper.
It's just mould in it, the wall's been so wet.
Jesus Christ.
Like something's ripped open that pillows, isn't it?
What do you think that could be? Rats or?
Yeah, it could be. Shredding it for bedding or something, yeah.
I tell you, it's no cloud house, but it's still good to see. Oh yeah, here's
Mad to see an old pub, isn't it?
the kitchen.
Just check the floors there, 'cause you've got to put holes down.
Yeah.
There, look.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the kitchen.
Just-
No, that was a board.
Yeah, it wasn't. You've got a solid floor. It's definitely 100% solid floor.
Still got all the pots and pans, the nice kettle.
Mad, isn't it? Leave it in this state, like that. Loads of fucking relentless cans and all fucking
Look at the oil.
Yeah, you see, like, people have like stacked the table and the chair here. Obviously, people
Oh,
have
they've
been
been
going
up.
upstairs.
Might have a look at there in a minute.
Have a quick look at that.
Oh wow, look. Living room, 2 big chairs still in it.
Your bunk bed's in there as well.
Still a living quarters, isn't it?
Fucking hell.
Look at the old TV. That. Oh, how old? Is there any power? No. DVD.
Someone's fucking someone's been in here, they're squatting in here, mate.
I would have thought so.
Got
Yeah.
me. This was a perfect little house before that water came in. I bet you it's the tiles, isn't it? Someone's had the slates off the roof, and since then they've only relied on the felt, but that's just failed.
Yeah, exactly.
So they've had the slates off the roof.
These are lazy boy chairs, look.
Are they?
Yeah, look. They've got all the mechanics in.
Yeah.
What videos have we got? Smash hits. Who's on it? Samantha Mumba. We got Westlife.
Oh
That would have been a good watch, wouldn't it? Gorillas.
Gorillas, yeah, Clint Eastwood.
That would have been a bloody good watch. Back in the 90s.
Nice place, mate.
What we got?
Work this.
Whoa! I think I nearly went through the floor then.
Another menu, that's the drinks menu, Thai cuisine.
Another bathroom. How many bathrooms does one pub need?
Well, I'm thinking, but this is an actual bathroom, isn't it? The others have been like toilet.
Well, someone's been dinghying in the bath there, look. Rubber dinghy.
It's mad, I just wonder why we've ripped all the baths out and stuff.
Yeah, well,
People getting copper.
no, yeah, it'd be copper, wouldn't it? They've been stealing all the copper.
They're taking stuff. There's a big hole here, mate.
That's the trouble with England, isn't it? Everybody wants copper
Big holes
and all
everywhere.
precious metals.
So this is where someone's been sleeping, isn't it?
Bunk bed.
Bloody hell.
That's even got the mattress and everything still on it. Look at that.
It's all fireplace. Place is gone, isn't it?
Yeah.
A Muppets Christmas Carol.
What we got? Muppets for Christmas Carol.
Yeah, I love that film.
Is there a box in it? Oh, remember these?
Scotch tape.
That's when you
Head
used
cleaner,
to,
yeah.
you used to clean your,
You just get a fuzzy screen, didn't you?
Yeah,
Just make a fuzzy screen.
clean your video player out with it. I'm gonna have a look in that loft.
Yeah, oh yes. Yeah.
Just stand here, just in case.
Camera there, right? Looks like there's something going on there.
Well, there's some bits and bobs up here.
Yeah, they stored stuff up there, though.
Yeah, not a lot. Not a lot of stuff up here, but just the old crap that got stored up. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna go down here now. I think this is the way we. What's down there? Oh, I just got soaked.
Yeah, that's the way we came up.
It's dripping. Well, we've got to be careful here because I don't know whether these stairs are going to be too good because it's absolutely dripping wet. Right, I think we better make a move out of here. Guys, just before we leave, just going to show you around this playground. It's all overgrown. It just looks awesome, to be honest. All the kids that would have played on here where their mum and dads are pissed in the pub. Isn't it? But look at it though.
Wow. I'm tempted to scale it.
Yeah, there's no slide though. He's going up, look.
I'll tell you what, mate. Floors in here are more rotten than the house.
Are they really?
Yeah.
There's a. Oh, it's one of them. Oh, it's bust, Lewis, but look. It's one of them slide things. You go there, and there used to be a rope going across there
Yeah.
onto there, and someone would sit on like a tyre and it'd take it across there.
Fireman's pole or something.
Hey, up there. He's doing the monkey bars. But yeah. So, that's what we've just explored. Right, okay guys, that's the explore done. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a bit messy inside. The roof tiles were actually gone, aren't they? So
Roof tiles have got, someone's taken them to reclaim them because they're Welsh slate, so I would imagine that's what the roof, the felt's failing, the water's going through. Just about got a grip of the place, so saw the bar with the paneling, the fireplace.
So, and to be honest, you can tell that the roof tiles are gone because all the ceilings and everything were coming down, but it was still quite a good little explore, a little TV in there, all sorts of like the chairs and all that lot, so. Right, cheers guys anyway for watching the video and
subscribe if you're not already.
Yeah.
Thanks if you already are. Appreciate the 2,000 subscribers. Here's to 3,000.
yeah, let's get there. Right guys, see you later.
See you on the next one.
Bye.